Hi there and welcome to the Lambda Test tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about the Lambda Test app for Microsoft Teams. The Lambda Test app can help you perform cross-browser compatibility or visual regression testing directly from Microsoft Teams app with the help of features like real-time testing and screenshot testing by Lambda Test. To get started, sign into your Microsoft Teams App Store and search for Lambda Test. Add this Lambda Test app to your team to perform cross-browser testing or visual regression testing. To start live interaction testing of your website, go to Teams and start a new conversation. Click on the Lambda Test app and select Real-Time Testing. It will ask you to authenticate your Lambda Test account using your login credentials. Complete the steps and done! The Lambda Test Microsoft Teams app is now ready for you to use. Real-time testing is a feature that allows you to perform live interactive testing of your website on more than 2,000 browsers and operating systems hosted over the Lambda Test cloud. In the window that appears, enter the URL under Test, select the browser, browser version, operating system, and desired resolution. Once done, click on the Create Launcher button and your desired test environment will be created. Now, live testing your website is just a click away. Just click on the Run session and the real machine will be allocated immediately with your entered URL and environment. You can confirm the same from the switch menu here. That's it! The session will be launched and now you can do live testing with your web application in a real test environment. Not only this, you can even mark bugs, record a video, and do much more. To know more about real-time testing feature in depth, you can refer to the video suggested on your screen. To capture full-page screenshots of your website over a variety of browsers and OS combinations, start a new conversation with Lambda Test app and choose Screenshot Testing. Screenshot testing is a feature that allows you to automatically generate full-page screenshots of your website over a variety of browsers plus OS combinations. You can generate screenshots for up to 25 different mobile viewports and desktop browsers in a single go. After selecting the screenshot testing, enter the URL, select up to 25 desktop browsers and mobiles and click on Capture. That's it! Lambda Test will generate the screenshots based on your selected configurations. To view the captured screenshots at the Lambda Test platform, use the View Test button. You can view the screenshots, download them, mark bugs, launch real-time sessions, and do much more. Refer to the video suggested on the top right corner of your screen to know about the screenshot testing feature in depth. Don't want to open up the Lambda Test platform? No worries, you can view, download and share them instantly using this View Shareable Link button. Just click on it and there you go. Here's a fun fact. Using this Lambda Test Microsoft Teams app, you can share your tests with your colleagues instantly. They will be able to launch your test as their own. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you get started. You can find its link in the description below. If you face any challenges, please feel free to reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. Thanks for being with us thus far. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new features and integrations with the Lambda Test platform. Happy testing!